Hey friends, Wayne over at the Ram Man Inc. I wanted to review a couple of things because I think that it's probably been 2 or 3 years. Shoot, I got over 400 videos out there and I forget about what it talked about. So anyway, we're getting ready to send this hub set off to New Jersey. They're going to try it on some state vehicles. So, number one, remember now that, of course, you can pull the rotor off, but these hubs, normal type grease fitting, these hubs are greasable through the ABS port when you feel like it. You can just take a grease gun and grease these things and fill them up. Number two, the thrust bushings that go in the back that capture the stub shaft and keep it in perfect alignment, spline to match. They'll last a long time, but obviously they are replaceable, held in. With clip. Number two, this main rear bearing is a sealed ball bearing to keep the contaminants out. And if you notice, big snap ring, it is also replaceable. And then you move on to the locker units. And right underneath here, in this cage, the needle bearing is replaceable. Standard HK 4516. So, you can replace the cage bearing, you can replace the rear bearing, you can replace the thrust bushing, and it's only up to you. Pull that ABS wire, stick that in there. You can grease these at will whenever you feel like. 10,000 miles, 40,000 miles, that's up to you. Beautiful thing about it. God bless you. God bless America. And happy trucking. Bye.